If you've tried building or upgrading a gaming PC recently, you've probably noticed something alarming. RAM kit prices have skyrocketed. Graphics cards with 16 gigabytes of VRAM cost a small fortune, and budget PC builds are becoming a thing of the past. But unlike the pandemic-era crypto mining boom where scalpers bought up GPUs, this shortage is happening deeper in the supply chain. The three main memory manufacturers, Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron, are quietly reallocating their manufacturing capacity away from consumers. The culprit? The massive, insatiable demand for high-bandwidth memory driven by the global AI boom. While tech giants build massive data centers, gamers are paying the ultimate tax.
To understand why RAM is so expensive, you have to understand how memory chips are made. Memory manufacturers print millions of micro-scale circuits onto raw silicon wafers. For decades, those wafers were sliced up to make standard DDR4 and DDR5 RAM for PCs, as well as VRAM for graphics cards. But AI models require high bandwidth memory, or HBM. HBM stacks memory dies vertically on top of each other, providing staggering data speeds. However, producing one HBM stack takes up nearly 3 times the physical silicon wafer space of standard consumer RAM. Because tech companies are willing to pay massive premiums for AI accelerators, memory foundries are dedicating their limited silicon production to HBM. Every wafer assigned to an AI data center is a wafer that will never become a gaming RAM kit or GPU.
While hardware prices rise, game software is demanding more resources than ever. Next-generation game engines like Unreal Engine 5 rely heavily on massive high-resolution textures, complex geometry, and real-time streaming. Games that used to run fine on 8 gigabytes of VRAM now stutter violently without 12 or 16 gigabytes. This creates a severe bottleneck for game developers. They can either optimize their games for low-spec hardware, limiting visual fidelity, or build games for high-end systems that fewer players can actually afford to buy. As a result, budget PC gaming is getting squeezed from both sides. Games need more memory, but the memory itself is becoming a luxury item.
So where does this leave us? Industry analysts predict this memory squeeze won't ease up anytime soon, as building new semiconductor fabrication plants takes years and billions of dollars in capital investment. The days of putting together a solid $500 budget gaming PC that handles every new title are disappearing. Moving forward, gamers will have to adapt, relying more on intelligent upscaling technologies like DLSS and FSR, extending the lifespan of their current rigs, or looking toward cloud gaming services. The AI revolution is changing computing forever, but for PC gamers, the price of admission has never been higher. The question is, will hardware manufacturers find a balance, or will the budget gaming PC become a relic of the past?